Is there anything more terrifying than awkward silence? You are standing in front of someone, you have said hello, you have talked about the weather, and suddenly your mind goes blank. You stare at them, they stare at you, and you just want to run away. We've all been there. But what if I told you that being a great conversationalist is not about being funny or clever? It's actually about a simple set of techniques that anyone can learn. Today I'm sharing the secrets of social elegance. I'm going to teach you how to talk to anyone, anywhere, and never run out of things to say. Hello everyone, my name is Lucy and welcome back to my channel, where we discuss etiquette and elevating your daily life. Many people hate small talk. They think it is fake or shallow, but in the world of etiquette, it's like a kind of appetizer. It warms people up before you go to the main course of a deep relationship. If you can master these first few minutes of conversation, you can open doors to new careers, friendships, opportunities. Here are my 3 golden rules for effortless conversation. Let's go. Rule number 1, stop asking dead-end questions. The biggest conversation killer is the question, how are you? Why? Because it always gets the answer, like a robotic answer, good, and you? The end of conversation, that's all. Instead of how are you or did you have a good weekend, try to upgrade your question to a more open-ended one. Try, what was the highlight of your week so far? Or what are you working on that is keeping you busy lately? Do you feel the difference? They require a real answer, and they give the other person opportunity to complain, to brag, to tell a story, and that is where the conversation begins. I really like jasmine. This is green jasmine and I really like it. Rule number 2 is about listening. I call it finding the golden thread. When someone answers you, they usually give you free information, little hooks that you can grab onto. So your job is to listen for the hook, not just wait for your turn to speak. Let's say you ask someone, where are you from? They say, I'm from Chicago, but I moved here for a new job. So a bad conversationalist would say, oh cool, I'm from London. But a rational conversationalist would hear the golden thread, moved for a new job. So you ask, oh, a new job, that is exciting. What field are you in? Or was it a difficult transition moving cities? By focusing always on the details of the answer, you never run out of things to say because they are always giving you constantly the next topic. If you are truly stuck and panic sets in, use the ultimate safety net, the compliment plus question combo. People love to talk about themselves. If you do not know what to say, observe something about them and then compliment it and ask where it came from. For instance, oh, that is a beautiful scarf. I love the color. Is it a specific fabric? Oh, you seem to know everyone in this room. Have you been part of this group for a long time? These instantly make you feel charming and observant, and you make them feel good, and you take the pressure off yourself to be interesting. You just have to be interested. That is all. Before we wrap up, here are 2 quick reminders. First, the body language. When you're talking to someone, turn fully your body to that person who you are talking to. It shows respect. Second, the exit. If the conversation is dying, do not just drift away. Be polite. Say, it was so lovely catching up with you, but I'm so sorry, I have to say hello, for example, to the host, or I have to go to grab a drink. In the end, please mind, conversation is a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets. I have a challenge for you. Next time you are in an elevator or a coffee shop, try to ask a stranger an open-ended question, just one. Let me know in the comments, are you an introvert or extrovert? And do you find small talk easy or terrifying? If you enjoyed these tips, please hit that like button and subscribe. I have so many secrets to share with you. Thank you for watching and go start a conversation today. Did you know that people decide if they respect you within the first 7 seconds of meeting you? And usually you haven't spoken a word yet. Your posture, your hands, the way you take up space tell the world how to treat you. If you want to be seen as elegant, confident and high value, you need to master the silent language of body. Today, I'm correcting 7 common body language mistakes that might be sabotaging your image and showing you exactly how to fix them. Hello everyone, my name is Lucy and I'm an international etiquette specialist. Welcome back to my channel. We often spend so much money on our clothes, our hair, but we forget that the most expensive thing we wear is our body language. You can wear a designer suit, but if you are slouching, fidgeting, you look unsure of yourself. True elegance is about stillness and alignment, so let's go through 7 mistakes you need to stop making today. Mistake number 1 is the turtleneck. We live in a digital world where we are used to hunching our phones or the other things. It's not nice. This collapses your chest and makes you look tight and submissive. Imagine there is a golden string attached to the top of your head up to the ceiling. So roll your shoulders back and down. Instantly, you look capable and alert. Mistake number 2 is the bobblehead. When we're nervous and want people to like us, we tend to nod too much while they are talking, but it makes you look eager for approval. Be still. Listen with your eyes. Nod once or twice to agree. Mind, stillness is a sign of confidence. Mistake number 3, touching your hair and clothes, grooming constantly, too much, touching your face, fixing your clothes. This all screams anxiety. It distracts people from what you are really saying. If you are sitting, place your hands in your lap and glue them there. If you are standing, hold your bag or drink. If it helps you, keep your hands still. Mistake number 4 is making you small. When you are crossing your legs, folding your arms tight, you are physically blocking the other people out and you look defensive. Open up, uncross your arms, claim your space. You have a right to be here. Mistake number 5 is moving too fast. Insecure people always rush because they feel like they are in the way. Elegant people do not rush. They take their time. Slow down your movements. Move slower. Turn your head slower. Walk slower. And remember, luxury is not in a rush. And the last mistake is looking at the floor. Looking down signals submission, and staring too hard is aggressive. So use the triangle method. Look at one eye, then the other eye, then their mouth, not just merely on their lips, but around. So keep your gaze level with the horizon. It's a lot to remember, right? So here is my best tip to remember this. Every time you walk through a doorway, any doorway, use it as a trigger to check your posture. Head up, shoulders back, smile, and with confidence enter. Practice it for 1 week and it will become a habit. Your body language speaks louder than your voice. By fixing these small things, you change how the world treats you. I want to know which of these mistakes are you guilty of. Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe button. It helps me so much. Many major business deals are signed at the dinner table, and many second dates never happen because of what happens at the dinner table. You might be the smartest and most charming person in the room, but if you hold your fork like a shovel and you chew with your mouth open, then you instantly lower your value in the eyes of the others. Dining etiquette is not about being snobby. It's about navigating your meal with such a grace that everyone focuses on your conversation, not on your chewing. Today I'm walking you through 5 basic table manners that everyone needs to know to look classy, polished and confident. Today we are going back to the basics. Whether you're at a fancy wedding, a business lunch, have a nice dinner with your friends, the rules of the table are universal. Mastering these rules gives you confidence. When you know exactly what to do with this napkin, with your silverware, you can relax and enjoy your food. Let's dive into the 5 biggest mistakes people make around the table and how to fix them. The meal starts the moment when you sit down, but wait, do not attack the bread basket yet. The first rule is about the napkin. The moment you sit, you open it gently and put it on your lap. And do not ever tuck it in your collar like a bib. If you need to leave the table to use the restroom, place your napkin on your chair, not on the table. Why? Because placing it on the table usually signals the waiter that I'm finished, but leaving it on the table says that I'll be right back. So rule number 1, we take the napkin and put it on our lap. Rule number 2, how you hold your silverware. This is the biggest giveaway of your etiquette level. Never hold your fork and knife like you're gripping a weapon or a shovel. Instead, use the index finger method. So your index fingers guide the cutlery. You put it in your palm and your index finger is resting on the top. The same with your fork. That's all. It's delicate, controlled, and effortless. Second, did you know your silverware has a secret language? If you are taking a break to sip your drink or have some talk, do not ever put back your silverware on the clothes like this. Never, it stains. Or like this. It's not right. Instead, place them in inverted V shape on your plate. It signals the waiter that I'm still eating. Please do not take my plate. When you are completely finished the meal, just put them together at 4 o'clock position. This is the universal code for I'm done, you can clear the table. Number 4 is your body language around the table. Sit up straight and never put elbows when there is food in front of you. You can rest your elbows on the table while drinking a coffee or chatting or during the courses, but never put the elbows while eating. And the last rule for today is to respect the reach zone. If you need the salt and it's more than an arm's length away, do not stand up or lean across someone's face to grab it. No. Just simply ask, could you please pass the salt? Thank you. And the golden rule of kindergarten, chew with your mouth closed. If someone asks a question while you are eating, do not answer immediately. Chew, swallow, and then answer. I can't do that, but I don't know exactly what to do. No, you take it. Yes, I can do that, but I don't know exactly what to do. Dining etiquette is about respecting the food and the company. And I would like to know, what is your biggest table etiquette weakness? Maybe it is chewing with your mouth open. Let me know in the comments below. If you are ready to eat with elegance, please like this video for more modern manners. Bon appetit, and I'll see you in the next video.